everyone, how you doing? I'm here at my house, and wait, cicada eggs. Cicada eggs. Yeah, today is an exploration video. We'll be looking into some nature and guessing some random things.
Look,
A dead cicada.
Look at that little ball.
But there is an egg inside.
Look right here, that tiny
Did
dot.
you kill the?
No, there's this
He's
cicada.
killed the cicada.
Yeah, and there's an
You just
egg.
killed it?
And there's,
What
and
the? Why
there's
would
an
you?
egg right.
Yeah, it's because I was being bad.
Why would you kill it?
It was bad. No.
So this is.
it.
Oh, my friend just texted me. Okay.
Oh, what?
I sent him some pictures of some stuff that I found. Also, sorry with the low quality.
my gosh.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I also found a cicada.
Oh yeah.
Logan,
Harvey's been holding some cicadas.
Logan, if you want to know where I found it, you have to look right there. It's kind of hidden.
But I'm
right
trying
there.
to find a cicada here.
I am going to get that one.
Not it.
Okay.
There's a cicada. Alright, I had to change the view. Oh, there it is. Oh, go.
You did? There's too many cicadas.
Cicadas right now in this area are pretty common.
What?
Wait. Where is it? Oh, they keep on falling.
Gotcha.
I have to do that and then I reset.
No, we're taking
Sorry if you see a lot of that, by the way. Wait, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't scare it off. I want to see.
Oh.
That's a cicada. That thing right there.
Guys, look at this flower. It's so cool.
Zoom back out. Zoom back in.
It looks like a cartoon flower, bro. It doesn't even look real.
Oh, that's a cute little flower.
I have a patient.
Logan.
Look,
I
look,
like
have a
that.
patient.
Take a photo of this cicada.
Look, a cicada on a stick.
You
It's a 99% can't see thing. Oh, and here are some blackberries, I believe. Shroud.
Here's
These
a
are
cicada.
like the little plants before they bloom out. A daddy long leg.
Where?
If you are scared of these guys, then this video is not for you. Some thorns. And I found this really interesting. There's a shroud thing. A thorn shroud thing. I don't know. It's like a tree. There's a cicada. Bryce is going to pick it up. Do not let it touch me.
And they like to move their wings when you find them.
Yeah, so, you know I'm going to send this on YouTube, right?
You are?
Yeah?
We're YouTubing a video?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you not? Oh my gosh, he did not know. Wait, what are these flowers again?
Wildflowers.
These purple ones right here. I don't know. I'm not out here, like, in the wild this much.
Well, now you are.
It's really cool.
And every year.
Oh, that actually scared the crap out of me. He's with that cicada.
comes out. I'm gonna say something to the video.
What?
He's gonna say
I don't like showing faces of people. What if I do it accidentally?
every year a new cicada comes out. That's what me and Harvey were gonna say.
And they're saying this year, this one is red-eyed. It's
Yeah.
hard to see because the camera won't
This
focus.
year,
It's like
this-
orange
Look at, just
red-eyed.
look at the eyes.
This year,
They're
this
like
is
a
called
little
the
red.
red-eyed cicada.
Yeah, also there's like a bug called a cicada killer, right? I don't know.
Wait, what? I did not know that.
Oh, look, mushrooms! I don't know if we should eat these, though.
No, normally they have a lot
I'm just
of
gonna... Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Oh, Logan, I remember another cicada.
What is that? Oh, and my sister dug this hole here. A cicada sadly died due to falling in.
Look, it just disappears.
It just disappears. Once it's in there, it's gone.
Yeah.
It's pretty much a mini swamp.
A morning swim.
Like, look at this. Who would like that? Well, what would like that?
What if we found baby turtles crawling out of it?
I hardly doubt that, but okay. Watch me beat Harvey.
I beat him. I just found it right there.
Let's go.
Yeah, Logan. Right there. Hurry, put it on.
Wait. I'm gonna. Sad news. 2 days after his birthday.
Logan, take a photo of this one.
So, 2 days after my dog's birthday, he died. His grave is over there somewhere.
Logan, I found a cicada. Put it on. Yeah, put it on here.
Alright, I have to reset again.
Right there.
After
I'll
we're
see-
done
oh, here.
taking the picture, can we put it on? Can we?
You too? Oh, that's three.
That's
Do you guys know what a group of cicadas is called? I think it's called a pod.
Okay.
What the frick happened here?
a group of cicadas are called a pod.
We have a fireplace here. Oh, I showed them, I think. I showed them this. Oh, it's alright.
Berry bush.
There's all this space. Berry bushes. This is where blackberries will go.
Daddy Longleg.
What? Daddy long leg?
Right here.
Another one. Ooh. I'm not that much of a nature person, but I do like to explore from time to time. This is a huge berry tree. There's a ripe one up there. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there's one up there. Also, sorry for my low quality videos. I'm still trying to figure out how to make them better. Sorry.
We're trying to find entertaining videos.
Yeah. And cool video ideas. Also, a cicada just touched my finger. That actually scared the crap out of me. Oh, hi, cicada. Hey, little cicada. Hey, guess what? You're on video. Oh. Oh, look, a butterfly. Ooh, butterfly.
That's a beautiful butterfly.
I think it's scared of us. Let's give it some time. Right? Come on. I don't have much storage left, so I'm going to have to end the video. And hopefully be able to get something to help out that. So I can record more.
We're gonna try to get one in every day, but
Also,
today we didn't.
we do our best to get 2 in a week. 2 in every week.
We thought we couldn't do one today, but we ended up.
Also, I haven't seen Harvey in a long time. About like 2 years. So this is a special occasion. This is special. Also,
Special video.
you see that log right over there? That's the one, right? That one. It looks majestic in a way.
In our old videos, we deleted those videos.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't. That
Well,
was an old account. That was an old account.
Yeah.
And I was just waiting for the day to come when
We
I
only
actually
had 2
launched
subscribers.
my true account. Now try to find the hidden account. My friend Hunter Valines was a guest in the video, and look, a cicada. A cicada. A cicada just squeaked. It's made a noise. Look at it. It's so strong. Look at it. Look at it. Come on, you got this. Don't poke it. Don't poke it. Don't poke it. Harvey did cut off the camera on one of my videos. That was kind of embarrassing. Look, it's struggling. It's struggling. Come on, you got this, little cicada. It's saying help, help, help.
Oh, she found a cicada.
Yeah, get it on. Get it on. Yeah, it's safe now.
There's a cicada over here.
Hey, how much you want to bet that'll beat you? You are super fast. Ooh, it's hiding. See it?
Yeah, let me get it out.
I'll hold him.
Well, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Oh, and one last thing. I like this tree.
We might.
I'll be going back to recording.
Oh, and guys, look,
some gaming content in a bit.
No, pop it. Look, I found a cicada in here. Wow, there you go.
Oh no, that's from the dead one.
It's like so silky and smooth.
Anyway, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I will be going back to gaming
Hey, we got one.
in a few days. But for now, I'll just see you guys later. Be sure to like and please subscribe. It helps out the channel so much. And it's a first to 50 subscriber race between me, 2K Aiden, no cactus sign,
And never
Chloe Nation, and Chase Richie. Once again, subscribing helps out a lot. And I hope to see you all in the next exploration video at my grandparents' house. See you guys later. Bye.
Home. And never try to set home.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Or in the houseboat. We never know.
Well, only one way to find out.
Keep
Well,
watching.
see you guys.